Hi, it's Tom Hardin, and I'm really looking forward to serving as a keynote speaker at the upcoming Risk Management and Trading Conference, the largest virtual event for the Latin American risk management and trading community this upcoming June. I'll be sharing my story as young hedge fund investment analyst turned FBI informant Tipper X in the largest insider trading investigation of a generation. I'll also discuss potential misconduct risk hotspots in financial services firms today and how risk managers can help mitigate those potential risk events. I look forward to engaging with you at the conference in June. See you then.